The heavy rains in Karachi also brought devastation to the areas around Malir Nadi. Floodwater entered homes, washed away belongings, and left many families stranded. For the people living here, every rainfall is a test of survival. We reached out to the affected families around Malir Nadi, providing food, clean water, and support. In the middle of destruction, their courage stood strong. These moments remind us that when we come together, we can help rebuild lives and bring hope where it is needed most.